Mark, why are you Googling how to use take in a sentence?
Oh, it's for this podcast. I need some fresh examples for take. I'm stuck.
Don't worry, we've been talking about take for years. Just take a deep breath.
I took a deep breath, and now I need another one.
Take it easy, Mark. You've got this.
Fine, I'll take your advice, but only because you're the expert.
Oh, I take that as a compliment.
Hello and welcome back.
Hi everyone, we're so happy to have you with us today. I'm Mark, and this is Sarah.
We create videos to help you practice and improve your English every day.
Yes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out.
Today, we're diving into the word take.
We're going to learn how to use take in different tenses: past, present, and future.
Are you ready? Let's get started.
So, Sarah, what did you do this morning?
Well, this morning I woke up, I took a quick shower, and I grabbed a coffee.
Sounds like a nice start to the day. I usually take the bus to work.
I know, but tomorrow I might take a taxi just to be a little more comfortable.
Smart choice.
Now, let's take a deeper look at the word take.
Yes, it's a really useful word, but sometimes it can be a bit confusing.
Absolutely. Take has many meanings, but don't worry, we'll break them down for you into manageable groups.
Let's start with the most common and basic meaning, moving something from one place to another.
All right, let's talk about the word take. It's one of those super versatile words in English. Take often means to grab or move something with your hand.
Right. For example, in the present tense, you could say, I take an apple from the basket. So simple, right?
Exactly. But then we also have the past tense. You could say, yesterday I took 2 apples for lunch, and believe me, they were delicious.
And of course, we've got the future tense too. So you might say, later, I will take a snack during the break, because honestly, who doesn't look forward to snacks?
Oh, snacks are the best. And take is super useful for describing daily routines. For instance, I can say, I take a walk every evening.
Oh, I've got one too. This morning, I took a really fast walk because I was running late. I was practically speed walking.
I've definitely been there. But hey, tomorrow I'll take a longer walk. Hopefully the weather will cooperate, you know?
Fingers crossed. Take is so useful for all sorts of activities, from simple actions like grabbing a snack to more regular habits like walking, eating, or even exercising. It's that everyday magic word.
Exactly. Take is your go-to word when you need to describe any kind of movement or action, whether it's something you're doing now, did earlier, or will do later.
Now, let's dive into a fun and practical way to use take, talking about time. We use take when we want to describe how long something takes, whether it's a task, an activity, or even a journey.
Exactly. So for example, you can say, it takes me 20 minutes to get to work. That's pretty straightforward.
And it doesn't always have to be something big. Like last night, it took me 45 minutes to finish my dinner because I was trying a new recipe.
Cooking at home always has that little twist where it takes longer than expected. You think it's going to be quick, but then you get lost in chopping, stirring, and tasting.
Oh yeah, for sure. And that 45 minutes, it felt like an eternity by the time I was done, but the meal was worth it.
Cooking time really does vary, doesn't it? Just the other day, it took me only 15 minutes to make a smoothie. But if I'm making a full breakfast, that can easily take 30 minutes.
Yep, everything depends on what you're doing. If I'm trying to bake cookies, it usually takes me about an hour from start to finish. But if I'm just heating up leftovers, it only takes a couple of minutes.
That's a good point. The key thing with take is that it tells us how much time something requires, whether it's a long or short amount, and it can really help you plan your day, too.
Exactly. You can use take to manage your time, and it helps to set expectations, whether you're running errands, working, or just relaxing at home. Time flies when you're having fun, but it also takes time. When it comes to getting around, we also use take to talk about transportation. For example, I take the subway to work every day. It's quick and easy for me, especially during rush hour.
Oh, I remember. You took the bus last week, didn't you?
Yes, I did. I was running late and the subway was crowded, so I opted for the bus. It's not as fast, but sometimes it's more comfortable.
It's great that you have options. Next weekend, we'll take a car to visit some friends. I'm excited about the drive. It'll be nice to relax and chat during the journey.
Absolutely. Sometimes it's nice to take a car instead of public transportation. You get to enjoy the scenery and you can stop for snacks whenever you want.
Exactly. And driving is always more personal. You have control over the route, music, and the temperature inside the car.
And let's not forget the comfort of having a car for road trips. It's a great way to explore new places.
Whether it's taking the subway, bus, or car, we use take to talk about all forms of travel. It's how we move from one place to another, sometimes quickly, sometimes slowly, but always with purpose. Moving on, take is also used when talking about photos or tests. For example, can you take a picture of us? That's one of those phrases we use when we want to capture a moment in time.
Definitely. I remember last week when I took some amazing photos during our trip to the beach. The sunset was beautiful and the colors were so vibrant.
Oh, those photos turned out great. It's nice to have a memory of special moments. And when we're talking about tests, students take tests to measure their knowledge.
That's true. I took a difficult test last month for work, and it was quite challenging. I had to study a lot, but I passed, so it was worth it.
Good job, Mark. And in school, students are always taking tests, whether it's a math quiz, a science exam, or a history final. It's a way to track how much we've learned.
It's a bit stressful, but it's also a way to test our growth. Taking tests isn't always fun, but it helps us become better at what we do.
Exactly. So whether you're taking a snapshot or taking a test, you're capturing something important. It's all about the moment or the learning experience. Another common use for take is when talking about food, drinks, and medicine. For example, I take milk with my coffee every morning. It's a habit I can't live without.
Same here. I take my coffee black, no sugar, just the way I like it. But I always have milk with my breakfast. It makes the coffee taste smoother.
Did you take your vitamins today? I always try to make sure I don't forget.
Yes, I took them after breakfast. I take a multivitamin to help with energy and immunity. It's part of my daily routine. I'll take them again tonight before bed.
Great! Taking vitamins regularly is so important, especially when you have a busy lifestyle. It helps keep you healthy.
I couldn't agree more. And when it comes to food, we use take for small things too, like I'll take some bread with my soup, or I'll take a piece of fruit as a snack.
Exactly. Whether it's taking your daily medicine, grabbing a drink, or just taking a snack, take is a word that applies to all those little actions throughout the day. Now, let's dive into some special phrases with take. One we use often is take a break, which means to stop working for a while and relax.
I think everyone needs to take a break now and then. I took a break at 3 p.m. today, and it really helped refresh my mind.
That's the best. After a good break, I feel more productive. I'll take a break after we finish this video, actually.
Sounds like a good plan. Another phrase we use is take a chance, which means to try something risky or new.
Yes, I took a chance and signed up for a cooking class last year. I wasn't sure if I could do it, but I ended up loving it.
That's awesome. Maybe I'll take a chance and try painting next month. I've always wanted to learn how to paint, so I think it's time to give it a shot.
Absolutely. You never know what you might discover when you take a chance. And another great phrase is take care of, which means to look after someone or something.
I take care of my dog when I'm home, making sure she's fed and well looked after.
And I took care of my neighbor's plants while they were on vacation. It's always nice to help out, especially when someone needs you.
Exactly. Whether it's taking a break, taking a chance, or taking care of something important, these phrases with take are part of our daily conversations. They help us communicate in so many different situations.
Moving on, take is also used when you want to understand or accept something.
That's right. For example, I take your point means I understand what you're saying. It's a polite way of showing that you're listening and processing someone's thoughts.
And you could also say, please take my advice, which means you accept someone's suggestion or recommendation.
Exactly. It's like when you tell someone to take my advice, you're giving them a helpful tip that you believe will benefit them.
I do that a lot with friends and family. Sometimes it's easy to forget things, so I'll say, take my advice. It'll make things easier.
And it's also important to take advice from others, especially when it's from someone who has experience or wisdom. It shows we're open-minded and willing to learn.
All right, it's time for a quick review to make sure we've got this down. I'm going to give you a category, and you'll make a sentence using take in the present, past, and future tenses. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready. Hit me with the category.
Okay, here's your category. Daily activity.
Ah, that's an easy one. For the present, I'll say I take a walk every evening. It's part of my routine to get some fresh air after dinner.
That's a great example. Now, how about the past tense?
Sure. In the past, I can say I took a long walk yesterday. Yesterday, the weather was perfect, so I walked for about an hour.
Nice. Now, for the future?
For the future, I will take a walk tomorrow morning. I plan to start my day with some exercise before work.
Nice job, Mark. You've got it. You've used take in all three tenses, past, present, and future. Now, let's do a few more everyday phrases with take. I'll challenge you a little more.
Bring it on. I'm ready for whatever you've got.
All right, let's dive into a few more real-life scenarios. Take is everywhere in our daily conversations, so it's time to put it to the test. One phrase we use all the time is, take a seat, please. It's a polite way to ask someone to sit down. Whether you're hosting a meeting or welcoming a guest to your home, it's a very common and friendly thing to say.
Exactly. It's simple but makes a big difference in setting a welcoming tone. Another phrase we use often is take your time. This is something we say when we want someone to relax and not feel rushed.
Oh, for sure. My doctor always tells me, take your time whenever I'm explaining something about my health. It helps me feel less stressed and gives me the space to speak calmly.
That's such a good example. It's great because it makes people feel at ease, especially if they're anxious or in a hurry. Another expression related to take a gift. It's what we say when we bring something to someone's home or when we're visiting a friend.
That's right. Last weekend, I took a lovely bottle of wine to my friend's house. It was a small gesture, but I know she really appreciated it.
Oh, I love that. Giving gifts is such a nice way to show appreciation. And guess what? We'll be taking a bunch of flowers to your mom's birthday next month.
That's so sweet, Mark. My mom will love that. It's a beautiful tradition. Taking flowers to special occasions makes them feel even more thoughtful.
Exactly. It's all about making moments more meaningful. Whether it's telling someone to take a seat, giving them space to take their time, or bringing a gift, these little expressions show care and kindness. It's nice to be mindful of how we use words like take to make people feel valued and comfortable.
When it comes to work or study, one of the most useful phrases is take notes.
Oh, I took lots of notes during your lesson yesterday, Sarah. You gave some great tips I didn't want to forget.
I'm glad they were helpful. Another essential phrase we use is take a break.
And I'll take a break right now before my brain starts to melt from all this learning.
We all need breaks, especially after focusing hard for a while. Sometimes taking a moment to relax can really help recharge your energy.
Speaking of trying new things, take a chance is another great phrase. It means to try something new, even if it's a bit risky or outside your comfort zone.
Oh, I love that one. It reminds me of when you tried surfing last summer.
Yeah, I took a chance and it turned out to be one of the best experiences ever. Totally worth it.
That's awesome. Maybe I'll take a chance and try snowboarding next year.
Snowboarding sounds amazing. I think we're all about taking chances in life to try new things. Who knows what exciting adventure is just waiting for us?
Take it easy is one of my favorite phrases, especially when I'm feeling stressed out. It's like a little reminder to slow down and breathe.
Oh, I hear you. It's so important to remind yourself to relax every once in a while. Life can get overwhelming, and taking a moment to pause is essential.
Absolutely. And then there's take a look, another useful phrase. It simply means to glance at something or pay a little attention to it.
Right, like I'll take a look at your new phone later today. I've heard it's pretty amazing, so I'm excited to check it out.
Oh, it's definitely a game changer. I can't wait to show you. See how take works in these little expressions? It's like take helps us in both relaxation and curiosity, whether we're telling ourselves to chill or we want to see something new.
Exactly. One little word, so many ways to use it. I'll take a look at that phone and you'll take it easy until then, right?
Absolutely, Mark. I think we found the balance. What does take off mean?
It can mean removing something, like I take off my jacket when I enter a warm room.
Or for planes, the plane will take off at 6 p.m.
And take up means to start a new hobby or activity.
I took up yoga last year.
Lastly, take on means to accept a challenge or responsibility.
Right. I took on a new project at work last month.
Wow, we covered so many phrases with take.
Yes, it's amazing how one word can have so many uses.
So, everyone watching, what did you think? What's your favorite phrase with take?
Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Thanks for joining us today. Remember, practice a little bit every day. It makes a big difference.
And take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.